Hi guys, welcome back to Gone Tracking. You're back in our braai area, so welcome to our braai. Today we are prepping some chicken. Some people are scared to use chicken. I'm going to show you how to do that today. I'm going to start with the chicken because I want it to marinate a little bit. Put it inside our bowl, and then I want to clean up, and then we'll move on to the potatoes. Righto. Okay, so in our family, everyone enjoys the drumstick, so that's why I bought just a whole bunch of those. One of the things I like to do is find the big meaty bit and we slice in onto the bone. So a lot of people like to pre-cook inside. I don't like doing that. What I like to do is cut it to the bone. That exposes the bone, helps with the heat transfer, and when I marinate, it means I get nice and spice inside of my chicken. Our first job is to cut these up first. Right, so they're all got to cut in. What we're going to do is add some olive oil. Hello, Luan. Okay, get me to help.
Yeah.
Just drizzle a little bit. You get your hands dirty. Your hands clean. You wash them. Go wash. Alright. So, gonna add some spice. There we go. Okay. A little bit there. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do is massage it in. So the oil helps a little bit with absorbing this, but also when I put it on the fire, it helps to give us a bit of a crunch outside, and the deep cut that we made helps transfer the heat to the inside. So make sure you rub it nice and deep so that it's deep. So this basically, if you don't have this, it tastes like a barbecue flavor, so we enjoy that. And then I also have some other herbs we're going to add now. See that? This is a mixed herb and olive mixture. So good. More. This one. Oh, you lifted it out. Okay. And again, I'm going to massage it in, make sure it covers everywhere, goes inside the skin, underneath the skin, into the meat. Yes, it is a messy job. It is worth it. Luan, that's pepper. Put a little bit in your hand first. Let me see. Bit more, bit more, tablespoon. That's to show the camera. That's strong, so don't put a lot in. You can pour it over here. Just that little bit makes a big difference. So you're just gonna add it on, brings out the olive flavor. And that is the chicken prepped. So we take this. Luan, will you close it for us, please? Okay. While he does that, I'm going to go wash my hands. And I'm taking the chicken knife and stuff away. It's time to get the chicken on. Now, depending on who you speak to, there's different ways to do this. If you've pre-cooked the chicken, then it basically just needs to get flavor. Put it on the fire, make sure you turn it a lot, charcoal the outside, take it off, and you're done. As you know, we're doing this raw, which means that it needs a bit more time, it needs to be finessed. If you put this directly on warm heat, the outside burns or cooks, and the inside has still got the red blood inside of it. So you need to almost test your fire. I know it's too warm on the inside, but we do want to speed up our braai today. So what I'm going to do is pack it on the outside, turn quickly. If after about 10 seconds I see it hasn't turned color, I know it's not too warm. I'll keep on turning and then slowly move it inwards. If you put it down, put all your chicken down and come back to the first piece and turn it and it's already turned color, the fire is way too hot. Move it off, take it off completely. Let's get this on. Let's get cooking. First one I put on was here. So I turn it, you still see it's raw, so I'm not too worried about that. That piece I put on later. That one also hasn't really turned color yet, so now it's going to cook, but it's not too warm. Now I literally do this initially. I count until 10, and once I've counted to 10 I start turning again. It's a lot of work, but I've seen with the family they prefer the chicken like this, so I don't mind doing it because we enjoy it. Let's get turning. Okay, it's time to get the chicken off. You'll see I slowly moved it towards the middle as it was getting ready, so I can get it crispy on the outside. We have a rule. When you think the chicken's ready, keep it on longer, just to make sure that it's perfectly cooked. And then I have one piece that I break apart as a tester, and you can see I've already done that. Absolutely no blood. Perfect. Okay. Guys, thank you for braaiing with us. Thank you for coming into our home. We look forward to sharing more braai experiments with you, as well as more adventures. Please remember to subscribe, remember to like, and keep on joining us for the next braai. Enjoy, guys.